You only live once, so live it up. This is your paradise. This is all you got. It's like you send a kid into a candy shop and you say, this is the only time you will ever go into this store. You will never see candy again. What's the kid gonna do in the candy shop? Go crazy. Right? Right? Anyone have kids? You not know what I'm talking about? They're gonna go crazy, especially if you tell them you only do this once. This is the only time you're ever gonna see candy in your life. They're gonna go crazy. They're gonna make themselves sick. They're gonna be stealing. They're gonna be you understand what I'm saying? You tell a person, this is your only life. This is it. You don't get any other chance. What are they gonna do? They're gonna go crazy. They're gonna start thinking really weird things, doing really weird things. And it's gonna be because there's a concept that there's nothing after this. This is it. It's my only chance. So I better maximize my own pleasure. In fact, I better worship my own desires. And this, brothers and sisters, is where we are today. We are drowning almost in a culture that commands you to worship your Hawa.